Edye beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we'll be making chocolate chip pecan pumpkin bread. This recipe is inspired by my niece who attends U of Miami. Go Hurricanes! So she and my nephew Sean love pumpkin. The rand, not so much. Anyhow, the recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below as always. Little House of Beans, do us a favor, click that like button, hit the notification bell, comment, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I can't wait to make this delectable chocolate chip pecan pumpkin bread and bring it to them this weekend. Let's cook!